Good morning, buenas noches, buenas tardes, bonjour tout le monde, guten Morgen. I'm super grateful that I was able to join the summit, which was organized by Ainhoa. Such a great event. I bought, of course, a package, which I'm very grateful for, because now I can, any moment of the day, I can pick any teacher, one of the, I don't know how many there are, 40 maybe. Yeah, and every teacher, the more you listen to it, like a good book, the more you listen to them, the more you pick out of it, something out of it. Yeah, I didn't expect it would be that good. I mean, but yeah. So what I've learned from it, it's really very, very important that if I don't look, if I only see, if I don't look, I don't see anything. So I really have to use my eyes, what they're made for, looking at something, and yeah, really be interested in something, and then I will see. If I'm not interested, then my attention goes somewhere else, and of course then I will not see, because then I start to strain, because actually I'm looking at it, but I'm not really looking at it, so my attention goes, like Rosemary Gunham said, somewhere else, and maybe in Hawaii. That's why I was as a child. So yeah, and what really helps me is to breathe and blink now. So I adjusted all the little things everywhere. This means, like, breathe, blink. Now it's on my laptop, it's on my phone, it's on my mirror, it's on my bedroom door. It's everywhere actually. So yeah, I can show you where it is. It's over here. It says breathe and blink. It's over here on my mirror. I adapted to it. Breathe and blink. It's over here. It's on my laptop. It's on at my desk. It's anywhere. So yeah, I really would encourage you to breathe and blink as much as you can. Go outside. Go into the sun. Enjoy daylight, because when you go outside, daylight is so super important. And sun your eyes and be gentle. I mean, it took you quite some years, maybe, or not, or it took you where you are now, and every step from now on counts. It doesn't matter where you go. I mean, every step will count. So yeah, good luck, and don't be afraid for the dark, because the dark is also a good thing. That's why we love to palm. So enjoy your light and enjoy your path, and yeah, just trust yourself. Bye.